Hello everybody, welcome to Mr. GFX. Today we are going to speak about how to learn Illustrator just in 10 minutes. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video, and let's get started. So if you look here, now we have this interface for the first time in Illustrator. If you don't want to waste your time, this is a suggestion for a template. You can choose any one from them, or you have a old project from here. Or if you want to create new file or project from here, new file, and choose web or print or film or print as you like, or you can write from here your dimension. So now what we are going to do now, we need to create, for example, if you can choose print, film or web. Okay, now we can create web. Okay, now we have this empty project interface and workspace. So easy from here, like any program, file and new and save as and close and the same, edit and copy and paste and all of them. Okay, so after that, object and select and effect. Okay, like Photoshop and all of the same project for Adobe. If you didn't find the same interface at your PC, you will see from here you can choose from this icon. Okay, layout or classic, or you can choose automation, or as you like, or maybe web. Okay, you can choose anyone, but for the first time I like to choose this option. So now classic. Okay, style. So from here, if you look in this icon, you will see classic. So look for this shape. If you want to make like that, you'll see icon like that, or you can choose this one. If you look here, we have a rectangle and rounded rectangle and polygon and star, and so you can choose any one. If you can create like that, okay, you can drag and drop like that. If you want to save the dimension, shift from keyboard, okay, and you can do that. So from those point, if you look here, you will see this. Okay, you can make this one. Okay, now alt and scroll from your mouse, you can scale in and out. After that, if you look here in this area, you will see here small shape here. That mean we have a lot of icon. We have a menu inside it. So rectangle, okay, and we can do that. Maybe we can make like that. Okay, you can choose your color from here. Okay, and this is color for this one. Okay, and you can increase, okay, stroke from here. So now you can choose this one and scale this area. So now we have this nice shape. You can duplicate this one with alt like that. So if you look here, we have two cursor here and here. Okay, direct selection, you can choose it from V and A from keyboard. If you look here in this area, now this one, you can click here and look, you can control this shape, and from here or you can, for example, if we have circle like that, we can choose this one and look here, and this one. Okay, so you can play with any shape. Okay, like that. Okay, here, so you can play with those shape, or you can choose more than point. Okay, and remove them. Okay, so after that, if we can select this one and this one and this one and come here. Okay, look, because I select this area, we can make, okay, object, alt from keyboard, and we can just select this area. So you can make line, okay, like that, and or you can make arc like that, or you can choose like that. We can play in this area like that. You can play with shape from this arrow. So now if we look here in this area, we have those. Okay, now we need to make different selection from here. If you look here now, sorry, so from this area, if you look here, we have paintbrush. You can write like that, or you can play with dimension for this shape from this area. For example, double click and rotate like here, rotate this one here, and make size, for example. Okay, so you can, oh yeah, you can write as you like, remove anything as you like. So if you here and you want to remove something like that, or you can scale this one with brackets here, okay, and here and here, so you can remove anything as you like. This area, okay, you can make rotation for this area, okay, like that. If you want to make a scale here, look here, right and left, or you can press shift. Okay, so if you look here, we have three kind of shape, 1 and 2 and 3. We need to select all of them. If you look here in this area, you will see this amazing. So if you look here in this shape builder, now we need to merge those, shift and click. Okay, shift and click. So now we have merged layer, so we can shift and click. Now we merge all of them, or you can alt and click. Okay, now and alt. Okay, remove this one, or we can alt and click. We will see here, maybe we can make alt and click, or we can shift and click, shift and click. So you will see we play with our shape as we like. So now you can make that. So now we have, for example, this shape and this shape, and we need to select all of them here, come to this area again, shift and select. Okay, or shift and select, or we can make alt. So we are going to remove this area. So you can use this area to, for example, now we need to remove this area. Okay, shift, scale. Okay, now we can select this area and come here, alt again, sorry, alt. So now look, amazing shape. So you can draw as you like. So how to change your color shape? If you look here, we have this area. We will see here you can choose your color as you like, or you can come to this area, right click this area and choose show option, change your color from here. So now this is color for fill. You can choose any color, and here, so and we can choose the stroke from this area, and or you can, if you want to, for example, if you want to choose outside outline, okay, you can come from this area and choose any color from this in any area. Okay, from here, from here, from here. Okay, or we can choose this one, for example. Okay, you can choose any color as you like. If you have any logo, for example, if you come here in this area and you have, for example, any logo, for example, this one, right click, copy image. If you come here, paste, Control V, you will see here image trace. We are going to click here and expand. So now we have vector, okay, ungroup. So now we have vector shape. Okay, you can play with it. Okay, you can come here and choose anyone. For example, you can play with this area. Okay, now, so you can play with this area. For example, now we have this area. If you want to play with this one here and here, for example, you make this one come here, we can play with this area. So now you can edit your logo as you want, or for example, you can add shape here. So if you look here, we have layer is the in front. Control Shift bracket, right bracket or left bracket, you will see like that. So stroke, okay, increase or stroke, okay. So we can delete this one and write your logo as you like, for example here, and come here, Mr. GFX, scale it a little bit, Mr. GFX, Mr. GFX. Okay, now we can increase this stroke. Okay, Mr. Okay, GFX, scale it a little bit. So now we have nice logo. Copy image, paste here, and image trace, expand. So if you look here, we lost the other color, so you will choose from here 3 color or 6 color, expand. So now we have those shape. We can select this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. So now we have amazing. Okay, so amazing tools in Adobe Illustrator. If you look here, we have this one and this one. Okay, and we can create another circle, for example. Okay, so now if you come to this area, and we will see here base finder. So now we can select all of them and here, so this is one object, or we can come to this area and make like that, this one and this one, and we need to make like that. Okay, or this one and this one and make like that. Okay, so the first and second and make like that. Or we can come here, intersect from here, or we can select this one and just we need to remove inside. Okay, or we can come to select all of them and select this one, divide. So you will see here now control, okay, parts. So all of them, they are parts, so you can separate all of them. Okay, so this is the easy way. So if you look here, now we have one group. If you click in control in keyboard, you will see here those object. Okay, or you can come here, ungroup, and without press control. Okay, so Illustrator is so easy. So practice, so you will be amazing, so you will be professional in Adobe Illustrator. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video, and we will continue this course with a part 2. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video. See you in the next video. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.